In this video we are going to see cement plaster and cement lime plaster. So basically cement plaster is applied either in 2-coat or in 3-coat. The form which being more common, okay, whether we have to go for the 2-coat or 3-coat, whichever is convenient to us, that one we will follow up. So in the 2-coat plaster, the background is prepared by racking the joint to a depth of 20 mm, and after that racking the joint to a depth of 20 mm, cleaning process will take place. We need to clean the surface clearly and we will need to water that surface, means we need to wet that surface. Okay, next one, coming to the in that only first one we have cleared the background surface by cleaning. Okay, next, if the surface to be plaster is very uneven, a preliminary coat is applied to fill up the hollows or before the first coat. Means if surface is uneven, so that time we are going to fill the surface, or we are going to fill the unevenness surface by providing the preliminary coat. The preliminary coat, once again, it may be a cement mortar or any other materials. Okay, and then first coat or a rendering coat, we can say here. A plaster is applied in order to maintain a uniform thickness of plaster. Okay, in order to maintain a uniform thickness of plaster, what we are going to do? We are going to form a skids. Okay, so skid, how we are going to form a skid? The skid size is 15 cm by 15 cm size. Okay, so surface by fixing the dots off. Okay, then two dots are so formed in a vertical line, and at a distance of about 2 meter, a plumb bob, means we are going to check the central, okay, by using the plumb bob, and cement mortar is then applied on the surface between the successive skids by the surface, and after that we need to properly finish the plastering surface. Okay, next, last one is the before rendering. If hardens, it is suitably worked to provide a mechanical key force to final, okay, or the finishing coat. The rendering coat is kept wet for at least 2 days and then allowed to dry completely. So this kind of procedure will follow in applying the 2-coat plastering. What we are going to do? First, we are going to clean the background of the surface, and we need to make the joints rack about 20 mm, and after that we water the surface. Okay, then we are going to applying the first coat. Before applying the first coat, if surface is uneven, we need to make the surface even. For that we are going to provide the preliminary coat. Okay, then after that we are going to provide the first coat or rendering coat. Okay, so rendering coat, how we are going to providing? We are forming a skid. The size of skid will be 15 cm by 15 cm. So 2 successive points will be available. So in that, between the 2 successive points, we are applying the plastering. Okay, to check this even surface, we are using the plumb bob. Okay, then once the surface, means plastering is applied, after the last finish we need to finish it in a proper way. Okay, and after 2 to 3 days we need to water it, okay, for the proper curing. So this is the procedure we are going to follow in the cement plaster or cement lime plaster.